if we will look at our political history, wala naman alyansa na hindi talaga nag-aaway na parati na lang bate, no? But what is really strange is bakit isinasa publiko masyado yung kumbaga parang dirty laundry at mudslinging. I mean, this is, I think, what is the difference, no, compared to previous alliances before, no? Medyo hindi lang siya in public, but the allegations are quite, to say the least, very unstatesmanlike, unpresidential, and sabihin na natin gutter language, no, kanal. And this is very unbecoming of supposedly a former head of state and the current head of state.